Hello everyone. Thank you for your time. I will presentation about Web 3.0 project. Uh, Introduce my presentation member. My name is Juanda Bani. Next Wildan Assyidiq. Next Marianus Nduru. Next Muhammad Ilham Pratama. Next Mayriskina Sahara Latifa. Table of content. The first definition. What is Web 3.0 project? Two, Web 3.0, cryptocurrency and blockchain. 3. Web 3.0 technology. 4. Evolution of the Web 3.0 technology. 5. Key feature of Web 3.0. 6. Web 3.0 application. 3.0 project. Web 3.0 project is imagination a new type of internet that not only accurately interprets what you input, but actually understand everything you convey, video track, text, voice, or other media. Uh, One where all content you consume is more tailored to you than ever before. We are at the typing point of a new page in the web's evolution. Some early pioneers call it Web 3.0.
Okay, hello guys. Next, I will to describe about what we are working on. Point first is secure web. My team of developer is to make a secure web with a new technologies like blockchain technologies and AI system. And then point second is web point zero is accessible. With this web 3.0 have a high flexibility for your access and open source. And then three is my is web 3.0 fast and reliable, which you can access this web 3.0 with fast and reliable, and you can connect with metaverse with this project by Meta Group. And next is definition about Web 3.0 is Web 3.0 is the upcoming third generation of the internet where websites and apps will be able to process information in a smart human like way through technology like machine learning or ML, big data, decentralized ledger technology or DLT, etc. Web 3.0 it was originally called the semantic web by World Wide Web inventor Tim Berners-Lee and was aimed at being a more autonomous, intelligent, and open internet. The Web 3.0 definition can be expanded as follows: data will be interconnected in a decentralized way, which would be a huge leap forward to our current generation of the internet. For Web 2.0, where data is mostly stored in centralized repositories. Furthermore, user and machine will be able to interact with data, but for this to happen, programs need to understand information both conceptually and contextually. With this in mind, the two cornerstones of Web 3.0 are semantic web and artificial intelligence or AI. And this is quote from someone famous.
Okay, Web 3.0, cryptocurrency and blockchain. As Web 3.0 network will operate through decentralized protocol, the founding block of blockchain and cryptocurrency technology. We can expect to see a strong convergence and symbiotic relationship between their technology and other files. They will be interoperable, seamlessly integrated, automated through smart contracts, and used to power anything for microtransaction in Africa. Censorship resistant P2P, data file storage, and sharing with application like Filecoin to completely change every company conduct and operate their business. The currently of DeFi protocols are just the tip of the iceberg. Future goals. 1. Branding to positioning through adaptability. There are a few details that we need to keep in mind when looking into Web 3.0 teach. First of all, the concept is not new. Jeffrey Zeltman, one of the early developers of Web 1.0 and 2.0 application, had written a blog post putting his support behind Web 3.0 back in 2016. But talk around this topic had begun as early as 2021. Evolution of the Web 3.0 technologies. Web 3.0 will be born out of a natural evolution of older generation web tools combined with cutting-edge technology like AI and blockchain. As well, the interconnection between user and increasing internet usage. Apparently, Internet 3.0 is an upgrade to its precious Web 1.0 and 2.0. Web 1.0, also called the steady web, was the first and most reliable internet in the 1990 despite only offering access to limited information with little to no user interaction. Back in the day, creating newspaper or even commenting on article weren't a thing. The social web or Web 2.0 made the internet a lot more interactive that thanks to advancement in web technology like JavaScript, HTML5, CSS3, which enables startups to build interactive web platforms such as YouTube, Facebook, Wikipedia, and many more. Web 3.0 is the next stage of the web evolution that will make the internet more intelligent or processing information with near human intelligence through the power of AI system that could run smart program to assist user. The Berners-Lee had said that the semantic web is meant to automatically interface with system, people, and home device. As such, content creator and decision-making processes will involve both human and machine. This would enable the intelligence creation and distribution of highly tailored content straight to every internet consumer. Thank you.
Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Nduru. I have a presentation for you. Budget. UX research 40%, programming 20%, database 10%, and web design 30%. Key features of Web 3.0 to really understand the next stage of the internet. We need to take a look at the 4 key features of Web 3.0. Ubiquity, semantic web, artificial intelligence, 3D graphics. Ubiquity means being of or having the capacity to be everywhere, especially at the same time. In other words, omnipresent in that sense, Web 2.0 is already ubiquitous science. For instance, a Facebook user can instantly uh, capture an image and share it, which then becomes ubiquitous science. It's available to anyone, no matter where they are, as long as they have access to the social media platform. Semantic web. Semantic is the study of the relationship between words. Therefore, the semantic web, according to Berners-Lee, enables computer to analyze lots of data from the web, which includes content, transaction, and links between persons in practice. How would this look? Let's take these two sentences for instance. I love methods, methods, artificial intelligence, Wikipedia.
Hello, I'm Mei, and I will tell you about how we can learn about Web3. One of the requirements for a Web3 application is the ability to digest large scale information and turn it into factual knowledge and useful executions for users. Nowadays, there are companies that are building or have products that they are transforming into Web3 applications such as Amazon, Apple, and Google. First, I suggest you to know about some applications that utilize Web3 technologies to understand how Web3 works. The two examples of applications that utilize Web3 technologies are Siri and Wolfram Alpha. Siri is Apple's voice-controlled AI assistant that has grown more intelligent and has expanded its abilities since its first appearance. Siri uses speech recognition along with artificial intelligence to be able to perform complex and personalized commands. Siri can understand requests such as "Where is the nearest mosque?" or "Show me my appointment today," and immediately come up with the right information or action. If Apple has Siri, there are other AI assistants from other companies like Amazon's Alexa or Samsung's Bixby. If we want to try these AI assistants, we need to have the device or products from their company. Like if you want to try Siri, then we need to buy an Apple product. Another example of applications that utilize Web3 technologies is Wolfram Alpha. Wolfram Alpha is a computational knowledge engine that answers your questions directly by computation, are opposed to giving you a list of web pages like search engines do. Wolfram Alpha will give you detailed information about the keyword that you asked. That's the key difference between Web 2 and Web 3. If you want to try to use Wolfram Alpha, you can download the application from their website and install it in your device. When the installation is complete, you can use the application. Now, if you want to try to build Web3 applications, you can try these steps. First, learn the basics blockchain. It's really important to understand the fundamental of blockchain because it is the basics. So I suggest you to understand the basics of blockchain before starting your project about Web3. And then learn about smart contracts and learn how to interface with the blockchain. Smart contracts are a piece of code that can be executed automatically in a deterministic way. The smart contract code is usually stored and executed on the blockchain. They are also capable of storing, sending, and receiving funds. Smart contracts can be written in Solidity. So this is when Solidity comes in. In this step 3, you can learn Solidity, build portfolio, and apply. So, what is Solidity? Solidity is an object-oriented, high-level programming language used to create smart contracts. that automate transactions on the blockchain. Apart from being statically typed, Solidity also supports inheritance, libraries, and complex user-defined tabs. Solidity is similar to one of the most common programming languages, JavaScript. So if you have experience with JavaScript, I guess it will be learned easily. So from our presentation, we can see that when Web3 inevitably arrives, the internet will become exponentially more integrated in our daily lives. We will see nearly all of today's normally offline machines, from home appliances like ovens, vacuums, and refrigerators to all types of transport become part of the IoT economy. The new internet will provide a more personal and customized browsing experience, a smarter and more human-like search assistant, and other decentralized benefits that are hoped will help to establish a more equitable web. This will be achieved by empowering each individual user to become sovereign over their data and creating a richer overall experience thanks to the myriad of innovations that is to come once it is in place. So I think that's all our presentation, and we hope that this presentation will help you understand about Web3. Thank you.